Hello guys. Welcome back to our another video. In this video, we're going to find out the best ways to recover hidden files on Android devices. So, let's go. Before heading towards the solution, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are wondering whether it is possible to recover the deleted hidden files on your Android devices, then the answer is yes. You can easily get back those files, but there are certain points you need to remember. Such as, don't download any new file on your phone, turn off the mobile data, and even better, turn on the airplane mode until you restore the files. Now, let's start recovering the files. First way, use Default File Manager. The first method of recovering or viewing the hidden file is using Android's Default File Manager. Sometimes, we think that the file is deleted but it remains hidden on the device. In this case, you need to make sure to see the hidden files. In this method, first, you need to open the Default File Manager app on your Android phone. Go to the folder icon to see the files. Tap on the three vertical dots. Select the setting. And select the Show Hidden Files option from the list. If there is a file in the list you are looking for, then there is no need to follow the recovery process. Second way, use Google Drive. If you already had Google Drive backup enabled on your phone before losing the files, then you can use it to get them back. For this, you need to open the Google Drive app. Go to the files. Then check for the deleted file. Select the file, tap on the three vertical dots given at the top right corner, and then tap on the Restore button. Now, your file will be restored on the device. Third way, recover hidden photos and videos from Google Photos. Just like Google Drive, Google Photos is also a cloud backup that stores photos and videos. So, if you have backed up all photos and videos of your phone here, then use Google Photos to restore them. First, open the Google Photos app. Go to the library. Search for the deleted photos or videos. Tap on the deleted file you want to restore. Then select the Restore option. Now, the hidden photo or video will be restored to the system. Fourth way, use the Android Data Recovery tool. This is the last and the recommended method to recover the hidden files on the Android phone. Here, we are going to use the Android Data Recovery tool. When all the manual methods fail to recover the deleted data on your device, there could not be a better option than using the Android Data Recovery tool. This tool has been developed by professionals to recover any kind of data on your Android phone, right from photos, videos, files to contacts, SMS, apps, and many more. The best part is you don't need any technical skills to use this tool. So, if you want to use this tool, then the download link is given in the description box below. So, that's it for this video. I hope these methods will help you in recovering the hidden files on Android. For more such videos, stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching.